Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I did a video on last night on doing this with a polygon tool. Then I started thinking if it was not a polygon tool where you could change every node, and so I've already converted to a curve. But if you wanted to make this even, and this is why I draw in the center of the page and why I put it in the center of the page, we're going to take an ellipse and go from the center of the page holding down the control and the shift button so they grow at the same rate from the center. And then there's just a couple of key things we can do. We know this is a 20-degree increment, so we're going to take a line, and if you don't go all the way or go past it, that's pretty good. And then double click on your line and change your rotation of that and rotate it that 60 degrees, which gives you the exact half of that circle. I'm going to take away the indexing line so it's made a little more clear. And then I'm just going to hit plus on the keyboard, and I can actually take this and have it snap to there. That way we'll know what half is. And now because if we turn the indexing lines back on, we can grab this point and have it snap to that quadrant. And because we have this line drawn, we can have it snap to that intersection and then that intersection. And you've done the exact same thing. And then we can select our circle and we've got a perfect shape. And we can just prove that like we did last night. I'm going to try to make my dimension tool have a bigger font. I thought I did this last night and then it didn't work. So get the parallel dimension tool and go from that node to that node. And you see we have 10.52. Well, that says 10.53, but maybe I was off on the first one. Let's remeasure that because I'm pretty sure we did it correctly. I might not have started on a node. Oh, just a hair off, and that could have been just from what I snapped to. But we're just talking about a 1/100th of an inch. Anyway, I hope that gave you some ideas, and thank you for watching.